In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will enable you to efficiently manage transactions using these two platforms. So let's get started and make the setup process as seamless as possible. First, we need to head over to the Systeme.io website. This is where the magic begins. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Systeme.io homepage. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to explore its features. It's a versatile tool for managing and automating various aspects of your business. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. You'll find it quite easily as it's prominently displayed to get users back into their accounts swiftly. Click on that button and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email and password. Make sure to double check your credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your information, click on the Sign In button again. After successfully logging into your account, your next destination is your profile icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select Settings. This is your gateway to all things customizable in Systeme.io. As you navigate to the settings page, you'll find several options to tailor the platform to your liking. Our focus, however, will be on connecting a payment gateway, so click on Payment Gateways once you're in the Settings section. This area is specifically designed to help you integrate payment processes, which is crucial for handling transactions smoothly. In the Payment Gateway section, locate Stripe among the available options. It's a widely used payment processing tool known for its reliability and security. Once you've identified Stripe, click the Connect button to initiate the integration process. At this point, you'll need to add your Stripe account. Click on Add Account and follow the prompts to log in with your Stripe credentials, ensuring that your Stripe account is rightly linked. Don't forget to have your bank details handy, as you'll be required to input this information for a complete connection. After entering your bank details, click on Continue. The process might take a few moments, so be patient as the two systems synchronize everything on the back end. Once you've confirmed your bank details and continued, head back to settings in your Systeme.io account. It's a good idea to double check that everything is connected correctly. Then select Payment Gateway once more. You should see a notification or status that confirms